Hello, you're watching GotSpace Game and it's time for DCS in 3 or less. Today we're in the F16 showing how to launch the JSOW. The version we have in DCS drops cluster munitions effective against light armour. For the first shot we'll be attacking a waypoint, and for the second shot we'll use the targeting pod. As always, useful control bindings will be on screen at the end of the video. Check Master Arm on, air to ground mode. Bring up the targeting pod on the left hand screen, we'll need that for the second shot. Make sure JSOWs are selected and power them on. Check for the ready indication. This will take a while if you did a cold start. Set your release to single, tandem or side by side. You can set the release spacing. We'll go with 150 feet. Press enter to confirm. Our target is at waypoint 1, you can use the rocker to select. Fly your plane towards the azimuth steering line. The HUD shows your current range, acceptable launch region, and 0 range. We'll be in range in just over a minute. The JSOW is an unpowered glide bomb, so your range depends on your speed and your altitude. Be careful when you get down to your minimum range though, because sometimes the missile can overshoot the target. We're about to come into range. We'll get the JIZ indication, means JSOW in zone. Press and hold weapons release. Time till impact will show in the HUD as both JSOWs glide out to the target. We'll use the targeting pod for the next attack. For this pair we'll go tandem with a much wider spacing. Setting a 400 foot interval, so that means we'll get one impact 200 foot in front and one impact 200 foot behind the target point. Use the DED rocker to select the waypoint nearest the target. We'll fly out towards it. Use sensor select down to soy the targeting pod. Set your field of view with the expand FOV button. Use the radar cursor control to slew the targeting pod over the target. You can adjust the picture mode, brightness and contrast as needed. Press target management switch up to get a point track and set your SPI. You can further adjust your zoom using the manual range knob. 20 seconds till impact for the first pair of JDAMs. Weapons release. And you see the time till impact is replaced. Master caution is because our stores config is no longer correct. We've dropped all our bombs, so it needs to be Cat 1. You can get an idea of what the different spacings look like by watching these impacts. The first pair was 150 foot lateral, and these ones are 400 feet apart down the runway. I've been Dan and you've been watching DCS in 3 or less from GotSpace Game. Massive thanks to all my Ko-fi supporters, and if you found this video useful, please share it and subscribe to the channel for more 3-minute DCS tutorials covering all of your favourite modules.